This is the Bruno Wessel K-500 tire studding station. So what all is included with the K-500 tire studding station? This kit comes with, of course, the K5 studding stand, but it also includes a stud gun along with the automatic feeder buoy. With that automatic feeder buoy, you get a 5-foot long tube, so you have plenty of slack to work with, and it has a nice convenient shelf built into the stand. If you're a tire shop that's studding dozens or even hundreds of snow tires every year, the Bruno Wessel snow studding stand is for you. This thing is a workhorse, and because you have a nice sturdy stand, it's going to cut down on mistakes and therefore cut down on time. Let me tell you, this automatic feeder buoy right here is a game changer. It's going to save you so much time that it's going to pay for itself with that time you saved in no time at all. When I'm personally working on a project, I like to have every tool and device I'm going to need and use within arm's reach, a mise en place, if you will. A place for everything and everything in its place. And that's exactly what this shelf provides. Let's see this thing in action, shall we? First order of business is to feed my feeder buoy, and I'm going to start with TSMI number 11 Bruno Wessel snow studs. I'm just going to grab a handful out of here. That's it. Now, I only grabbed a handful and fed it into the feeder buoy because I only want to put away a handful. The feeder buoy here can easily take an entire case. Let me say something before we mount this tire up on the studding stand. This is Tire Supply Network's demo tire, okay? It's really old, it's dry rotted, it's been patched, it's been plugged, it's been used countless times for demonstrations, and this is for demonstration purposes only. Before I start studding the tire, I want to show you what's in that workplace a little closer. We have our stud gun that's connected to our air line, the feeder buoy line that's connected to our stud gun, a soapy water mixture for a little lubrication on those studs, and in case there's any mistakes, a stud removal tool. That's the one. To get your very own Bruno Wessel K500 snow studding station like you saw in this video, visit TireSupplyNetwork.com. If you just want to upgrade, let's say you already have the stud gun and you just want the feeder buoy in the stand, visit TireSupplyNetwork.com for that too. So to wrap things up, visit Tire Supply Network for all things Bruno Wessel and all things tire supply. Thank you very much for watching.